This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down the foundation so every slide behaves predictably. First, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and open the slide master. Make global font and color choices there. Once done, import a branded theme or build one and save the color palette so you avoid ad hoc styling. Make sure to turn on guides and snap to grid. This forces alignment and reduces later rework. These steps let you add content quickly, with consistent spacing and typography from the start. Now you construct the slide deck with reusable building blocks. Create 4 to 6 layout variants in the master, title, section header, 2-column, and a media-heavy template, so you can maintain structure quickly. For visuals, use SVGs or high-resolution PNGs and compress images to roughly 150 to 300 kilobytes to optimize load times. Link large videos instead of embedding. Once you have content, apply subtle animations like appear or fade, and keep durations short to maintain rhythm and avoid distraction. You finish by polishing delivery and distribution. Add alt text and confirm contrast for accessibility, then populate speaker notes with timing cues. Once complete, export a PDF for stable sharing and a PPTX for offline edits, and set sharing to anyone with link with the appropriate edit or comment permission. Rehearse in present mode and verify fonts on another device. If the deck loads slowly or assets fail, clear your browser cache or re-upload compressed images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.